How to unsave pins on Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Pinterest application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and as you have logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So here you can see all of your pins that you have saved or that you have liked on Pinterest. Now, if you want to unsave pins on Pinterest, what you simply need to do is tap on any of the pins. Here, you will be able to see the option like you have saved or you have liked this pin. So if you want to unsave the pin on Pinterest, simply tap on the pin and here just tap on the saved option. So here you can see there is no option to unsave this. So tap on three dotted lines and here you can see tap on edit pin. You can just tap on delete this pin and then tap on delete again. And there you go. You have unsaved pins on Pinterest. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.